Step into the tranquil world of suburban living as we embark on a house tour of a delightful residence, characterized by its enchanting blue siding and rich natural surroundings. This home, adorned with light blue siding, complemented by stylish brick accents and a dark gray shingled roof, exudes both charm and sophistication. The welcoming dark green front door, elegantly framed by pristine white columns, invites you to discover the beauty that lies within. As you approach the entrance, you'll be greeted by a cozy front yard, meticulously designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the home. The landscape features an array of lush landscaping, where a variety of plants thrive. Among them, several majestic blue spruce trees stand tall, adding a touch of elegance and a splash of color to the scene. Neatly trimmed green shrubs and vibrant pink flowers in decorative pots near the entrance create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere, embodying the essence of suburban serenity. A large gray boulder serves as a striking natural element within the landscape, skillfully integrated with a row of smooth, rounded stones lining the sidewalk. This thoughtful design not only enhances the visual appeal, but also fosters a sense of harmony with nature. The entire scene is illuminated by bright, natural daylight, casting a warm glow over the property and emphasizing the rich greens, tranquil blues, and earthy browns that dominate the color palette. The playful pops of pink add a delightful contrast, making the environment all the more inviting. In this suburban oasis, every detail has been meticulously curated to create a balanced composition that celebrates the beauty of peaceful living. This charming blue siding home is not just a house, it's a serene retreat that exemplifies the joys of suburban life, where lush landscaping and thoughtful design come together to create a truly enchanting living experience.